Begin by laying down the large labeled bubble wrap from packaging. This is to be used as a protective surface during assembly. Starting with the 9-inch top shelf, insert the threaded ends of the 6-inch header tubes into the rear holes of the tray, opposite the logo. Make sure the slots of the 6-inch header tubes are facing each other. This is to allow for the header installation later on. Secure the 6-inch header tubes in place with the male tubes. Ensure they are tight by turning a minimum 1/4 turn past snug. Laying the display on its back or side may be helpful. Using the hex key and bolts, secure the 2 female tubes through the front holes of the 9-inch top shelf. Tighten a minimum 1/4 turn past snug. Install the 11-inch mid-shelf onto the assembly, aligning the holes with the tubes. Secure using 2 bolts. Be sure the logo side is facing forward. Fasten the male tubes from step 2A to the 11-inch mid-shelf using the female tubes. Ensure they are tight by turning a minimum 1/4 turn past snug. Now install the final 2 female tubes using the hex key and 2 bolts from the top. Ensure they are tight by turning a minimum 1/4 turn past snug. Install the 13-inch bottom shelf, logo side forward, onto the assembly, aligning the holes with the tubes. Secure the bottom tray into place with the hex key and remaining 4 bolts. Ensure there are 4 bump-ons installed on the 13-inch bottom shelf. Tighten the bolts enough so their heads are below the 4 bump-ons. Failure to do so may result in damage to the surface the display is placed on. Install the header graphic into the slots facing forward as shown.